Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that seems simple but is actually quite relevant in everyday life. How long does it take water to boil? Let's find out. First off, it's important to note that the time it takes for water to boil can vary depending on several factors. However, generally speaking, it takes about 4 to 5 minutes for a liter of water to reach its boiling point on a typical stovetop. Now, you might be wondering what factors can affect the boiling time. Here are a few. Altitude. The higher the altitude, the lower the boiling point, meaning water will boil faster at higher elevations. Starting temperature. If you start with hot tap water, it will reach the boiling point faster than cold water. Heat source. The efficiency of your stove or heat source can also impact the time it takes for water to boil. Volume. The more water you're boiling, the longer it will take to reach the boiling point. So why is this information important? Whether you're cooking, making tea, or sterilizing water, knowing how long it takes for water to boil can help you plan better and save time. In summary, the time it takes for water to boil can vary but generally ranges from 4 to 5 minutes for a liter of water on a typical stovetop. Various factors like altitude, starting temperature, and heat source can affect the boiling time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.